Maine right now is on track to again set a record that we do not want to break. Good evening, I'm Brian Yacono. Amanda Hill is on assignment tonight. According to the state's October overdose report, the state is likely to exceed the record number of deadly overdoses that was set just last year. News Center Maine's Sean Stackhouse has a look at the numbers for us and support for the community.
A troubling trend for Maine, the state once again on pace to see a record number of fatal overdoses. In Portland, police say that this past weekend, there were 3 suspected fatal overdoses.
To hear that 3 people have died just over one weekend really hits home hard.
Leslie Clark is the executive director of the Portland Recovery Community Center.
Every life lost is preventable and heartbreaking.
Portland has been hit particularly hard by overdoses in 2022. According to Portland police, there have been 50 fatal overdoses this year, which is more than double last year's total.
A trend that we're seeing nationally and locally is that a lot of the overdose deaths we're seeing is among individuals who were found alone.
Carrie Barton is the program coordinator for harm reduction services with Portland Public Health. She and her team work to connect those navigating substance use disorder to resources and safe use supplies. Barton says the prevalence of fentanyl and other substances cut into drugs causes concern.
Fentanyl is a really potent synthetic opioid that's roughly 80 to even 100 times stronger than morphine.
The statewide October overdose report shows nearly 80% of fatal overdoses this year were caused by fentanyl. Portland Public Health offers fentanyl test strips and other supplies. Recovery and harm reduction leaders emphasize the importance of never using alone and carrying Narcan, whether you are close to someone who uses or not.
You could be walking down Congress Street on a Saturday night and see someone slumped over and save that person's life. It's easy to access, it's easy to use, and it's so important.
Portland Public Health distributes Narcan for free, as do several other organizations across the state. We have information on our website and mobile app on where you can access it. In Portland, Sean Stackhouse, News Center, Maine.